It's 2 o'clock now and we're on our way to Burnham. On the right is Maharlika. We'll take the overpass now. Go left, Talia. Okay, there goes the kids. Get ready, guys.
169. Sia, careful ah. No, Zoe, look at the...
Just 4 rounds. That's $100. Nice. Huh? It's 2 o'clock now and we're on our way to Burnham. On the right is Maharlika. We'll take the overpass now. Go left, Talia. This is the cotton tree, very soft. Oh, very soft ba? Oh, sige nga, try to punch nga. Okay, come on. The 2 kids will ride in the roller coaster here in Burnham Park. We're going to turn left. This is the Fun Rides Recreation. Okay, get in, guys. Go buy your ticket. Skating rink here. Skating rink, and this is the entrance for so many rides. We have here bump cars. Buy ticket here. 100 per head. Roller coaster and spinning disc. Pagod na to. Okay, it's time to buy. Come on. Okay. Pagod na si Kinkin, no? Sige. Okay. Sige na, go! Ito, ngayon pala sila nasiraan yung bike nila. Nandito ako. Hindi lalakas yan, go! Ha? Okay, ayaw nyo na? Hindi, kung ayaw nyo, uwi na tayo. You like to bike yet or no more? Uwi na, pagod na kayo. Okay, let's go down, come on. Yes, yes. Ilagay mo yung hood mo, Ken. Okay. Madidan. Skating rink here. Skating rink. And this is the entrance for so many rides. We have here bump cars. We'll buy ticket here. 100 per head. Good. Okay, they enjoyed the roller coaster. And on this side is the bump car. And here, train for senior citizen, and this is the carousel for senior citizen also. I can ride in this horse. Okay, the two will ride in the Tagada. Here, this is a spinning disc. Okay, remove your shoes. Dali, remove your shoes. Oh there, oh there. Go, go, stay there. There goes the two. After roller coaster, here they are. Spinning this. Tagada. Okay, it's over.